Hello, hello. Welcome back to another engaging episode of HRMS Connect, the podcast where HR meets innovation, productivity meets people, and everyday workplace challenges find smarter solutions. I'm your host, Nikhil, and today we're picking up exactly where we left off in our last episode. After talking about resource allocation, we're moving to the next critical piece of the productivity puzzle task management, because assigning resources is only half the job. The real success lies in how effectively tasks are planned, tracked, and completed. Joining me today is Mohini Shah, a human resources director who has led large teams through rapid growth and successfully streamlined operations using digital HRMS's task management software for business. Welcome to the show, Mohini.
Thank you, Nikhil. Happy to be here. Task management is one of those things everyone talks about, but very few get right.
Absolutely. Let's start with the reality check. What was task management like before digital HRMS?
Frankly, it was fragmented. Tasks lived across emails, spreadsheets, chat messages, and meeting notes. Teams were working hard, but priorities weren't always clear. Managers spent more time following up than actually managing, and deadlines slipped simply because there was no single system to track progress.
That sounds familiar to a lot of organizations. So, what changed when digital HRMS came into the picture?
Clarity and control. With digital HRMS's task management software for business, we finally had a centralized platform where tasks, timelines, and ownership were clearly defined. Everyone knew exactly what they were responsible for and by when.
Walk us through as to how task management works on digital HRMs.
It's very intuitive. Managers can create tasks, assign them to individuals or teams, set priorities, and define deadlines, all in one place. Employees receive clear task details and can update their status as work progresses. This eliminates guesswork and keeps everyone aligned.
And how does this help leaders and HR teams?
In a big way. As an HR director, visibility is crucial. Digital HRMS provides real time insights into workload distribution, task completion trends, and team productivity. It supports better decision making, fair performance evaluations, and proactive workforce planning, all based on actual data, not assumptions.
That's huge. Any standout features that really impressed you?
Definitely. Centralized task dashboard, complete visibility across teams and projects, clear task ownership, accountability without micromanagement, priority based task assignment, teams focus on what truly matters, real time progress tracking, no need for constant follow ups. It creates a structured, transparent work environment.
Impressive transformation. So, who should consider using digital HRMS's task management software?
Any organization managing teams, projects, or daily operations, regardless of size. If you want better focus, faster execution, and stronger accountability across teams, this solution is a must have.
Final question. How did employees respond to this change?
Very positively. Employees felt more organized and confident about their priorities. Managers gained visibility without micromanaging. And HR finally had a clear view of how work was flowing across the organization. It improved both productivity and morale.
And that's the real impact of smart task management. Thank you, Mohini, for sharing your insights today.
My pleasure. When work is clear, people perform at their best.
That's a wrap on today's episode of HRMS Connect. If your organization is still managing tasks through emails, chats, or spreadsheets, it's time to upgrade. Explore digital HRMS's task management software for business and bring clarity, accountability, and efficiency to everyday work. Until next time, stay organized, stay productive, and stay digital. Thanks for tuning into HRMS Connect, the HR podcast. Catch you in the next episode where we discuss Time Port Module, which is time tracking system like keeping tabs on those working hours so everyone stays productive and accountable. Until next time, stay strategic, stay stress free,